let's look how Romance and Violetta will show a slow foxtrot choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take preparation step, and we start with feather step. Very basic figure. We continue with bounce Fallaway with weave ending, but we change weave ending to promenade position and continue with hover Corte from promenade position. Then we dance Fallaway Ronde to natural pivot and dance heel pull into Rumba cross, then a running feather and natural pivot, continued by curved feather. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So, man starts facing diagonally to center and dances preparation and then feather step. Then we move down line of dance with bounce Fallaway with weave ending to promenade position. In same direction we move with hover Corte from promenade position. And then we move diagonally to center against line of dance with Fallaway Ronde. Continue to wall with heel pull and the Rumba cross. And diagonally to wall we dance running feather and natural pivot into corner. And then diagonally to new line of dance curve feather. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.